If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you'll go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.
Yes. Oh, yeah. All the drivers. It's just.
Lakeisha Petrie. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Lakeisha Petrie?
Yes, ma'am.
And Miss Petrie, this is your initial appearance and cause number.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Cynthia Williams. And Miss Williams, this is your initial appearance and cause number 26 DCCR 1106.
Yes.
You are charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon from May 17th of 2026.
Yes.
And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Mhm.
So what I'm going to do, Miss Williams, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone.
I need a court appointment.
Well, so once you've made a bond in your case, I expect you to at least try to hire an attorney. And then, are you working?
No,
Why not?
I'm disabled.
Do you get disability?
Yes, ma'am.
How much do you get a month?
1,000, but if my rent is 1,000 something.
Now, what is your actual check?
I get 2 checks. I get my husband because he died. I get his. I get mine too.
Okay.
So
What's the total?
I think like 1,200.
How do you not know what the total is that you get every month?
Because his is eight something and mine is 670.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Miss Williams. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true, correct, about your income and your expenses, and then I'll take a look at it to see if you qualify.
Yes.
Step in front of the clerk.
She wanted to go in. What we do in the exception, if it does have fine making addition, don't be it much. The sign the back, not to the beta, don't leave and don't come back and get finished. Thank you.
Thelma Garza. Thelma Garza. Thelma Garza. No response, ma'am. Bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at 100,000. Deborah Elliott. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Deborah Elliott?
Yes, ma'am.
And Miss Elliott, this is your initial appearance and cause number 26 DCCR 0618. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of financial abuse of an elderly individual from October 21st of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No.
All right. So what I'm going to do, Miss Elliott, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone.
The court.
Well, same thing I just said. If you bond out, then I expect you to try to hire your own lawyer. Are you working?
Yeah.
Why not?
I just got part value.
Do you receive disability?
No.
Then how do you pay your bills?
My son paid.
Okay. Is that how you got out of jail?
My sister.
Check something.
Yeah.
And just give me a second to look at something. So what I'm going to do is have you fill out some paperwork, Miss Elliott, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately, and completely, because you're going to swear under oath it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. You need to step in front of the clerk on the end, and she'll give you that paperwork. Christopher Henry. Christopher Henry. I didn't either at all. Yeah, here we go.
He's Brother John. Already what is it?
Get your hands out of your pocket. Come on, right here.
Good morning. Are you Christopher Lee Henry?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Henry, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1070. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from April 3rd of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, if you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer. Right. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Henry, since you've made bond, is I'm going to reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and we'll discuss your options.
All right.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you'll go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.
Should have.
Yes. She can do that. Oh, yeah, on the docket. Yeah. It's just.
Lakeisha Petrie. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Lakeisha Petrie?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Petrie, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1032. You're charged with a state jail felony offense of credit or debit card abuse from March 7th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, if you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to, same thing you've heard me saying, I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset. Oh, yeah. Jerry Dickert. Good morning, sir. You're Jerry Dickert.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Dickert, did you get a lawyer hired?
haven't hired one. I've talked to three. I don't know if you received my email. I don't have a vehicle. Had one repossessed and one stolen.
Who'd you talk to? What lawyers?
To there are three Houston firms, a Martinez law firm that gave me their payment plans and the estimated cost based on my cases. Huff Law Firm in Houston and Dunbar and Jones. And I've also looked into something called case funders that will allow me to borrow the money to pay for an attorney.
Do you, thank you for doing what I asked you to do. Do you want to fill out the paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer? Or do you want to see if you get that money and hire your own with one more reset?
I'm living on unemployment right now, which is about $1,000 every 2 weeks. But I'm embarrassed.
It's okay. I just need to know if you want to fill out the paperwork this
Yes.
morning or if you want to get 30 more days to try to hire someone.
If I could have 30 more days, I would appreciate that because I think I can get a vehicle and get a job.
I'll reset you one more time and then if you make sure you talk to some other attorneys, bring back any information you have with regard to if you've gotten a job, and then we'll see what your options are if you don't have someone. Step in front of the clerk, please.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Vernis McIntosh. Good morning, sir. Is it McIntosh or Tosh? McIntosh, you're Vernis McIntosh. Mr. McIntosh, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1090. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of failure to comply with sex offender registration requirements from May 20th of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I called one of Lane Walker.
Uh-huh.
He wrote $10,000, and I'm gonna be looking for somebody else.
So what I'll do then, Mr. McIntosh, is reset your case about 30 days or so to give you some time to see if you can get someone hired. If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do.
And can I ask you a question?
What's that?
I know I've been registered since 18, and I know it's a lifetime. Is there any steps that I can go through that I was looking up online that I can possibly get
You're
off
gonna
the
have to talk,
registration?
you're gonna have to talk to a lawyer about that. So let's get through the case first and then lawyer you.
What stands out most in this hearing isn't just the charges, it's the judge's consistency. Every defendant is given the same clear expectations. Make a genuine effort to hire an attorney. Follow the court's instructions and be honest about your financial situation. But as you've seen today, ignoring those orders can lead to higher bonds, a return to jail, or even fewer options later. If you were in the judge's position, would you have handled these cases the same way? Let me know in the comments.
You get, also talk to them about that. There may be some options for that, but that's not something that I'm not allowed to give legal advice.
Okay.
So if you get someone hired, again, bring that reset notice to them. If for some reason you don't get someone hired, make sure you talk to at least 3. Bring me back those names so I know who you've talked to and we'll discuss your options.
Yes.
Okay, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.
Okay.